Welcome. Drones, the whole pallet. All right, rewind.
All right, everybody, we're moving on to the Amazon pallet part 2. If you missed the first pallet, you God, you're so.
Oh, you're on camera?
Are you trying to be funny or just you?
No,
I don't
I'm just-
understand.
No, I wanted to.
We have Rolly over here.
Rolly swing sliding through. Are we ready? Edit. What's going on, everybody? We're going to go through another Amazon returns pallet. If you missed the first one we just opened, I highly recommend you check out our previous video. We got really lucky and got 3 DJI drones that retail for about, I believe 2 of them are $15.99. The third one I think is $12.99-ish.
Awesome. I want one.
Show you real quick in case you missed that video. This was on a very similar pallet that we just got. Pretty amazing. We were very excited.
Show them the microwave.
Nobody cares about that. There's probably more on here. So the reason why we're excited to go through this, that first pallet, and I've never seen this before on any pallet, had a little money symbol here. We thought, okay, it might mean something, it might mean nothing. Got into it, bam, 3 DJI drones. So that's why we're going through this. We're pretty excited, and they would like to add a few things.
So this is pallet 545. And this is 549.
What was this one?
You want to cut into this or count numbers?
I'm just trying. I don't know. I'm trying to think.
All right.
Do you want me to cut it?
No. Please, Jenny.
All right. I'm going to go and cut this because, once again, she taught me how.
You have to push harder.
Yeah.
No. Push. And
Or maybe
go
you should
down.
just cut it like a freaking pro. All right, that's going to cut about halfway. Freaking speakers. Ooh, we got speakers on this pallet.
Oh, right.
Maybe
Excited.
that's good speakers. All right,
At
we're
least
going
it's not
to dig into this.
At least it's not all appliances and toaster ovens.
Now you're checking.
Now, I'm not seeing
Yeah, you're not seeing
yet, but they could be at the bottom. Here's a followers, a laminator.
Oh,
Were some laminators really expensive? This one's, feel the heaviness of that compared to the piece of junk we got.
oh yeah.
You think that's worth much?
I mean, it's probably worth more than ours was.
We got a thermal laminator. It's probably worth 50 plus, I would assume.
You can keep that one and send the other one back to Amazon.
Right?
And then we'll get it on a pallet. Yeah, that's
Here's a
$5.
Vicks.
$5-10 in our store.
Yeah, these aren't worth very much, especially if they're used. A lot of
Yeah.
people use these, they get caked on with all the junk and then they
Like
return
slime.
them.
It gets slimy.
That's probably $5.
Excuse me, Mom. Gotta get my cherry.
These are a little bit pricey. The Power Smokeless Grills.
Really like that, yeah.
I think these retail around 80 or so. If it works, we'll test it, of course, and clean it. And we probably get 40 or 50 bucks for it. So, good item on top.
I like that. That'll be a lot easier to cook on than an air fryer for like steaks and stuff.
Sorry.
I,
Mystery box with the arrow pointing down. I think that meant to be up.
oh, it's great shape.
I know, this box is real nice.
They packaged that with care.
We have a printer. How exciting. HP printer. Not sure what model. Sometimes they just throw stuff in boxes like this. If it works, I'm just gonna maybe 30 bucks.
I guess I'm your carry.
Oh, where am I supposed to go with this? Let's see what's in this guy. You guys can jump into. Ooh, what is that?
There will be nothing on any of the rest of the pallets like the drums. Nothing. On anything else we got.
You may have gotten very lucky.
Oh,
We got the tablets
that's
too.
actually kind of expensive.
Oh, the
That's a
foodie.
pet. That's a pet fence, electric pet
Oh,
fence.
yeah.
And the foodie, your grill
There's
back
an air
there.
purifier. These can be expensive.
Yeah. There's a foodie
I
back
know,
there
that's
that you
good.
told that you have one here in the shop that I want. You said it's better than my air fryer.
Oh, it is.
So I want one.
This is
Melissa, you like them too. You guys
Sure.
all love the air fryer.
This is
So.
the Germ Guardian. This is a very good air purifier. If it's clean and works, we'll probably get around 30 bucks for that.
Wow.
Oh, T-Paw.
Yeah.
Instapot.
Instapot is always good.
Yeah.
Oh, a popcorn maker.
Yeah.
That's a T-ball grill.
The drum.
Tobacco. True estate tobacco.
All right, this piece of junk. We hate these things. Freaking toaster ovens.
Well, guessing based on the packaging,
Probably
I
beat
would
up.
not say that it's in a great state.
No, me either.
I'd say that's at least dented, if not broken.
I'd say maybe $10.
You always
Gross.
find those though.
I think ELAC speakers are pretty expensive. If I remember right. If that's even what's in there. Let's see what's in there first.
Oh yeah, sometimes Amazon.
Yeah, that were
You get excited that that's what's in there and it's not.
But I believe this is going to be that.
Is that the duo?
Yeah, that's the deal.
Oh, these might be brand new. Yeah, they're definitely new. Wrapped up, beautifully
Nice.
wrapped. Even the grills are wrapped up. Let me look this up real quick. This is either really high end or not as high as I think.
Or is it one of those Chinese brands?
No,
I'm
this
looking it
is
up.
a good brand.
What bookshelf speaker?
Yeah, ELAC.
DD62.
Looks like 230
That's
to
great.
Oh yeah, those are good speakers.
Mhm.
See if any have sold real quick.
Yeah, that's just listed.
I'm sure they sell speakers sell really good. New other pre-owned. Oh, these are great speakers. $200 to $300 depending on the shipping. And that's pre-owned, so brand new. Trying to find one.
55 new other. Which
New
is
other.
Open box.
Nice.
I'd say anywhere.
Well, that would be brand new.
405.
Yeah, that's
Open box
definitely
brand
new.
new. Yeah.
So I'd say anywhere from $200 to $300 easy all day. So that's a great item.
Yeah, that almost
How are the back doors then?
not pays for the pallet, but it,
You know,
at least
like
it
the
gets
gas
a
station?
Gets a good chunk of it.
Right.
Instapot if
There's
it
a stop
works.
sign
This is the
and you go
deal,
that
of course,
way?
this is the
Should I be
deal.
Yeah,
fine?
Yeah,
if
these
it's
Instant
new,
Pots are
it's
really good.
$100. If it's not, it can get 60.
Yeah.
Probably somewhere in there. The road should be.
So
You think
we
we'll
sell
sell one?
the same day we list them, and you get 60 to 100, like
Yeah.
you said.
If it's, I hope it's new, obviously, but
Oh, see if you're right about your pet fence. Yep, that's the wireless pet containment system. With some stakes hanging out the side.
it's,
Not sure what these go for, but what?
I sold
100
one.
plus probably.
Yeah, I sold one for around 100.
they sell on Facebook.
I'd
too,
say it's
really.
definitely used. There you go, sir.
Kind of hard to get it back in the box. These things, if they're in there, it's usually a good
Oh, a
sign.
little popcorn maker.
Little popcorn maker, maybe $10 in our store.
I'll take it.
You like popcorn?
Oh, mystery box.
Ooh,
05.
mystery boxes are fun.
That doesn't cover it.
That sounds like pots and pans.
Sounds like mystery.
Toaster oven?
junk.
Sounds like a toaster oven. Yeah, but
Nah, Matt stole it.
Okay, here. Put it.
Hamilton Beach.
Here you go. Yeah, guys, the Instapot is definitely used. So, quick $60 on Facebook.
Yeah.
sounds like a toaster oven.
Oh, more
Oh,
pots and pans.
pots and pans. That's interesting.
Capleton or whatever the brand name is.
Capelon.
Capelon. Capelon, Capleton, whatever, John.
Oh, a deep
It's been a long
fryer?
day.
This will sell well.
Beautiful Hamilton Beach. Deep fryer. Probably at least $20.
Yeah,
if it
well,
works.
yeah, you're right, Adam. It's like they don't go for much.
No,
anymore.
Hamilton Beach is like a kind of a Walmart brand almost. Return
Do you look at that fence?
cinder.
We got this
Alright,
for
microwave oven.
Microwave, yeah.
Yeah, I just knew that was it.
Can we have
Probably
this for
the
Gunther?
Black and Decker. You might get $15 to $20 for this.
In our store.
If it works.
Yeah.
For Gunther? Mom. For Gunther?
No.
Pots and pans.
That'd be cool to have a little fence. You can run there whenever he wants.
George Foreman. Maybe $15, $20.
That's actually the larger one.
Yeah,
a little bit
that is a
more.
big one. Maybe 25, 30.
Oh, real cook.
You ain't nothing.
Ninja Foodie.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it is a, oh, that's a cool dual one. I've seen those before. They're about
How much?
150.
I was just gonna ask you how much.
Oh.
Since you're familiar with
Is
them.
that a
These are
record
really
player?
cool because it has 2 trays. So you
Most
can
of
cook
these are
French
record
fries
player.
and chicken or whatever in different temperatures.
Ooh,
A record
Very
player.
cool.
it's a turntable.
It's Lewis. I don't know what's to do.
Wait, that's not a record player?
But
It
this
is.
works. This is
Oh.
an easy
Oh,
80
that's
bucks.
cool looking.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I don't know if I'd want that one over the other one, over just the bigger one that you can do a bunch in.
Well, that one you can cook steaks and chicken and
Yeah.
everything.
I'm gonna look that up while you're
Oh, definitely.
going through.
I'm actually excited. Very clean,
We'll
so I'm
get to
hoping
it.
that one's new. Air fryer.
Air fryer.
No day.
Mimo, that's a no name, but they all work fine.
Yeah.
So this will probably be about 20 to 30, wouldn't you say?
If it's a bigger
If it
one
works.
and new, it's I can get 60.
Okay.
Yeah, but not
Look
now.
at the turntable.
Oh, nice.
High fidelity. I don't know if that's the same model, obviously.
Lewis.
But it says high fidelity
Let me
turntable.
see if I can get the model number. It's pretty cool reading electronics.
Edit?
Well, is my crack hanging now?
No.
Edit?
Good to go. New. But usually the touch panels are out.
Yeah.
What is that? Is that for Brenton? Oh my gosh,
$4.29,
why are you
wow.
playing with the dolls?
They're looks like they're selling for $215, $168, $199, $325,
Adam,
Wow, for
you have a...
$400.
Got a sticker on you.
See, oh, I'm saving that for later. So yeah, this turntable is $429 brand new. We'll try to test it. 'Cause we actually do have some records we've got on Target pallets,
We do.
and you know, we'll probably get about $200 for that if it works good.
I keep seeing that.
Well, who knows what's in there? Hand. Oh, it says steel cigar. What if that's like an expensive cigar case?
Oh, one of those
Like
humidors.
humidifiers.
Man, dude.
Humidor, whatever they're called.
Whoa, you
Um,
see those
do you
grilled
have a box?
cheeses on the back? Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
No, I'm
No,
hungry,
the other
dude. I'm
side.
getting hungry.
These are about $100.
Oh, yes.
New if they work.
Yes, they
Oh,
sell
those
quick.
are good.
That's a good pallet.
This instantly warms up, heats up quickly.
Nice.
Like instant?
I sold this on eBay. Or,
What do you
yeah,
mean instantly?
You just turn it on and it heats off. It heats there.
Okay. Let's see what this
Oh,
is.
wow.
Oh, it's a faucet.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, very
Bring
nice.
it over
one.
here, too.
What brand is it?
Delta.
Delta, yeah. Delta faucets are worth good money.
You want to show them the faucet? That's my favorite. Man, I wouldn't mind changing that
That's
out.
You
really
want to
nice.
buy everything.
I know.
I know.
We want to buy everything we see because we didn't pay much for it. So, you know, obviously it's like, I want that, I want that, I want that.
Well, there's so
That's
much-
probably at least $100. So far this pallet is really good. I want to see some drones, but
Hey, money's all good.
oh yeah. Anything Kohler sells. This is a simple towel bar. We'll probably get close to $20 for it. If it's in, you know, good condition.
Actually, for one that size, I might even get more, believe it or not.
Yeah, I believe it. These things are awesome. I have these at home. The camera, yeah. Okay. These are about $200 retail, and they cook amazingly. I love mine. We actually have it here. I brought it to the office to cook food, and it's better than an air fryer.
So for
'cause
me
it
to take
grills.
home,
So
I
we'll
would
probably sell this for $120, probably.
Awesome.
Open the tobacco.
Let's do that last.
Okay.
Here's a Cuisine Art Griddler. This one looks like a nice one. This one's probably in the ballpark of $80 new. So I'd say probably 30 to 40 on that if it's in good condition. It
What is
works.
this? It's just a griddle?
Oh, you picked up the fun things.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Where's my salad shooter?
Oh, what is that thing? Screw your salad shooter.
You promised me a salad shooter.
There's a pretty nice HP printer.
It looks nice.
I'm gonna guess if it works fine, probably anywhere from 50 to $100 just to be quick with it.
Conservative. Okay.
You tired of moving it?
Yeah. All right. What is that?
Oh, no.
Phantom, I wonder. There's another
That one.
duo.
That one.
Probably another.
That one may
60 to
just be
100.
a damaged box, which would be great. Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say. That is a mystery box. No, we do not want a toaster oven, guys.
No.
Mystery boxes can be anything.
20 iPads.
Dude, I'm taking them down with this
I think
one.
we'd be doing backflips. Another printer.
HP,
Yeah, HP. I think it's similar to the one we already had. It's 30 to 60 probably. if it
Laser
works.
jet.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm tired.
That looks like a faucet.
Oh, cool. Another Dymo printer.
No.
These are pretty expensive. I think 200 new. I'm gonna guess if it's there and it works fine, maybe 80 to 100. This
That is a faucet.
Yep, another faucet, pull down sprayer. Look at that later, but it's probably, I don't know, anywhere from 30 to 100, depending on the brand and all that. Here's a HP printer. We've sold these before. We get around 40 to 60, depending on how many prints and stuff like that.
What is that, Adam?
It's a printer.
This is here also.
This is a, yeah, but it's a pan. I don't know, I've never heard of Pandem. Okay, so this is a printer like it shows. Barcode?
Yeah, there is one right up. It should be it there.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Edit.
I'll edit your face.
Does that have a money symbol on it too?
Oh, that's a serial number.
Maybe.
Let me walk through here.
So if this works and everything, it's probably 50 to 80. And now for the last big box. If this has something to do with cigars, it's probably gonna be worth a lot of money. Or it could just be the box they chose to use.
You're saying it might not even be in there.
This is either something very expensive, or I bet you it's a freaking toaster oven. Ugh.
Yeah.
We'll still sell toaster ovens.
Yeah, but I want a
Yeah, but I
cigar
want
box
I
worth
want a
thousands.
cigar box too.
Yes, I'd like a humidor myself. but-
Beautiful wood grain one. I don't know if they come in wood grain. Excuse me.
And it's a freaking printer.
Printer.
Better than a toaster oven, Adam.
Yeah, it's a Canon.
It looks like a copier printer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
all in
Canon
one.
printer. Not what we wanted, but like she said, it's definitely better than a stupid toaster oven.
We'll get more than $15 for it.
Yeah. So this pallet was very good. We're definitely gonna make money without a doubt. Wish it had some drones on it, but of course it didn't.
Yeah.
So
But
that money sign.
500, over 500 for sure.
Oh, easy.
Yeah, easy.
So that money sign is not a sure thing. We're really lucky to get those drones, I think. We do have 2 more black wrapped
Two
pallets.
more, and, you know,
Hopefully there's more drones. You'll find out with us. We'll record those tomorrow, most likely. And
We'll
any
do that
closing
live.
statements from y'all?
Like and subscribe, please.
Anything
Yeah, like
that
and
you guys
subscribe. It
want.
helps
Really
us out
helps.
a ton. We're really trying to get to 1,000 subs. And you know what? I'm just going to throw this out there. If you guys agree, if we get to 1,000 subs, we'll give away a mystery box that we could build for you guys with about $200 retail value from Target or Home Depot or whatever. We'll do a drawing, and we'll send you
Sounds
for
good to
free
me.
a $200 mystery box just for joining and watching our content.
That's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Yep.
So like, subscribe, and have an awesome
Can
day.
I like and subscribe and win the $200 mystery box?
No, families
No,
excluded.
Families excluded. We
So
want them
new
to give them to you
subscribers.
guys. All right, guys. Have an awesome day. See ya.
Peace.